Let's talk about Stalker quests they explain, and needle in a haystack. No, honor among thieves more in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
This quest exemplifies the Zon's unforgiving nature, forcing you to meticulously comb through hazardous anomalies for a seemingly insignificant item. The real challenge often isn't the combat, but patience and environmental awareness will pinpoint the most common and often overlooked spawn locations to save you hours of fruitless searching. Remember, the Zon loves to hide its treasures in plain sight, or rather plain danger. This mission is a masterclass in moral ambiguity, pushing you into the shady underbelly of the Zon's black markets and faction rivalries. It tests your allegiances and your ability to navigate complex social dynamics, often without a clear good option. Well, break down the various paths you can take, the consequences of each choice, and how to maximize your gains or minimize your losses. Trust is a rare commodity out here, and this quest proves it. Beyond specific quests, understanding the flow of information and rumor in the Zone is key to uncovering hidden objectives and opportunities. Many crucial quest triggers or hints aren't explicitly marked on your PTA. We'll discuss how to interpret subtle environmental cues, listen to chatter, and explore off-the-beaten path locations that often hold the key to progression. The Zone rewards curiosity, but also punishes recklessness. No matter the quest, your loadout can make or break your chances of survival and completion in Stalker. For these complex missions, proper preparation from anomaly protection to specific weapon tips is paramount. We'll highlight essential equipment choices, inventory management tips, and even some lesser-known artifacts that can provide a significant edge. Don't just survive, thrive in the Zone by gearing up smart.